Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cherry and today I'm taking you to one of the most peaceful and beautiful places in Kotka, Finland, Langinkoski Nature Reserve. If you love nature, history, rivers, and relaxing walks, then this place is definitely worth visiting. So come along with me as we explore his hidden gem together. Today, we decided to explore Langinkoski by walking and enjoying the fresh forest air. The moment we arrived, I could already hear the sound of the rushing river, and it instantly felt so peaceful. The area is surrounded by the tall pine trees, beautiful walking trails, and scenic views that make you forget about the busy city life. Before we continue exploring, let me share a little history about this amazing place. Langinkoski means Salmon Rapids, and it is one of the Finland's most famous historical and natural attractions. The highlight of this place is the Imperial Fishing Lodge, which was built in 1889 for Emperor Alexander III of Russia and his family. Even though he was an emperor, he loved spending time here living a simple life. During their visits, the Imperial family enjoyed fishing in the rapids, cooking meals together, and relaxing in nature away from royal life. Today, the lodge has been preserved as a museum, allowing visitors to see how the imperial family spent their summers in Finland. As we continued walking, we admired the beautiful wooden structure of the Imperial Fishing Lodge. It's amazing how well preserved the building is, and it feels like stepping back in time. The peaceful atmosphere here makes it easy to slow down, take a deep breath, and simply enjoy the beautiful of nature. There are several walking trails around Langinkoski, making it perfect for families, couples, or anyone who enjoys outdoor adventures. Along the way, you'll find wooden bridges, forest paths, and breathtaking views of the river flowing through the rocks. Every corner is picture perfect, so don't forget to bring your camera. We also explored the area by bike, which made it even more fun. Riding through the forest while listening to the sounds of nature was such a relaxing experience. Whether you choose to walk or cycle, Langinkoski offers an unforgettable outdoor experience. One of my favorite parts of the visit was standing near the rapids. The powerful flowing water combined with the peaceful forest creates such a calming atmosphere. It's the perfect place to relax, reflect, and appreciate the beauty of Finnish nature. I really understand why this place is loved by both locals and tourists. Langinkoski is more than just a historical site. It's a place where history and nature come together beautifully. If you're planning to visit Kotka, I highly recommend adding Langinkoski to your itinerary. That wraps up our adventure here at Langinkoski. I hope you enjoyed exploring this beautiful place with me. If you'd like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my future adventures here in Finland. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye everyone!